Well, the live online session on Lemuria, according to Rudolf Steiner, has been planned. Grant Davis and I will be presenting probably 1 to 2 hours on August 5th at 7 p.m. on Lemuria. That's the time period before Atlantis. So there's less to talk about than our three-part session on Atlantis. Lemuria, I think we can cover in 1 to 2 hours, depending on the discussion. So please be a part of it. Email me at lois@bellnet.ca or leave your information in the comments below, and we'll send you out a link for a free online report on Lemuria. Thanks. Hope to see you then. Bye.